Hi guys, Marco, nice to meet you.
What are you here for?
I'm a male escort. No, I'm kidding, I'm not, I'm kidding. Just kidding, sorry.
Male escort?
How much?
I was about to be like, what?
Hi, my name is Marco, I'm from southern Italy. How many girls have I slept with? Maybe 100 or something. I watch porn most of the time. Trust me, you may not believe me, but I do watch a lot of porn.
My name's Italian, you know, Francesca.
Yes, pretty common. I like this might sound very weird to you, but I love French porn from the 90s. You can find a lot of them on Pornhub.
Right, let's get down to it. Are you single?
I am not.
Are you married?
No.
Okay,
no.
cool. So you've still got a chance. I'm joking.
The most adventurous thing I've done in the bedroom. A threesome with a Victoria's Secret model and a horrible fat guy. Basically, like, she was sucking my dick while he was fucking her, and then after like 30 seconds, I just passed out completely. Oh, I'm going in. I'm dating somebody at the moment since January, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Wow, it's 7 months.
See you in a bit.
To be honest, I never made it to 1 year. I came because I've been tested for 2 years. If I do find out that I have an STI, I hope it's not chlamydia or something like that. I don't know when I have something more to worry about in my life, you know. I already have a job, I already have my mom can call me and say, hey, how are you? Did you have food? Are you eating well in the UK? So, like, honestly, I don't want any more thoughts in my mind. Hello, hi.
Hello. Marco, is it?
Yes, and
Lovely.
you are?
Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the clinic.
Thank you.
When was the last time you were in a sex clinic?
A few years ago.
A few years ago?
Yeah.
Ah, so how come it's been so long?
I didn't really have any reason.
So you've not been having sex in the last 2 years?
Yeah, I did, but like I was with a partner that I was sure that.
So you're in an exclusive relationship?
No, not really. I was also like screwing around a little bit, but that's not the thing. I really knew I didn't have any reason to be worried.
And how many times would you say you've had sex roughly?
3 times a day.
3 times a day?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, I know.
And was the sex protected or unprotected?
It's most of the time is unprotected.
Most times unprotected, okay. So you've not had a checkup in a few years and you're having unprotected sex?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, dun dun dun. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. What is it that makes you confident that you don't have an STI?
I'm not that confident, otherwise I wouldn't be here, but I do have a little, like a little spot since a few weeks on my penis. It's basically on under my foreskin, and just a little bit weird because it's been 2 weeks there now. I don't use condoms regularly. We're always saying we should use condoms because you can catch disease, but then we get too horny and we just forget about it completely.
So since you noticed the spot, has it gotten any smaller, any bigger?
No, it's the same.
So
it's
been
just,
the same.
just there.
Is it, what color is it?
A little bit clearer than my skin.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a look at your penis, but we're also gonna do a full sexual health screen because you haven't had one in 2 years. Yeah?
Please don't make it painful.
I'll try my very best. Marco, when you're ready, I'll get you to bring your trousers down to about here. I'll do the examination, take some swabs, okay?
Okay, whenever you want.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm so sensitive.
I know,
I
darling.
don't even like my girl to touch my balls when we have sex. You know?
Now, point out this spot for me that you've noticed. Is it underneath the foreskin?
Yep,
Yeah.
there it is. This white thing here.
Ah, okay. That's interesting. Ah, okay, Marco, I see. I think I know what this is. So just pour for me, my darling.
While sexual health nurse Sarah
Yeah, I can see what you mean there.
Yes.
Is that painful?
A little bit.
is investigating a worrying spot on Marco's penis.
So just there. Ah, that's interesting. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Marco, so I have seen this before, and it does look like a genital wart. Okay?
Okay, damn.
Genital warts are one of the most common STIs in the UK, especially among 20 to 24-year-olds. They appear as small pink lumps or cauliflower-shaped growths on the genitals or back passage, and are caught by skin-to-skin contact with an infected person. They can take weeks, months, or even years to pop up. So, like Marco, you can be in a committed relationship for a while and still be surprised by the arrival of an unwelcome wart from a previous sexual adventure.
I need you to hold the foreskin back for me.
Having discovered he's got genital warts, Sarah has advised Marco to get a full STI screen.
Oh my God. Sorry, just...
It will be over before you know it. Okay, here's the first swab.
Oh, fuck.
Well done.
Wait, we're gonna have another one?
Yeah.
Shit!
Okay. And here's the second one. This.
Oh my gosh, that's terrifying!
Sorry.
Well, we know your lungs work.
Fuck.
You did really well.
It feels like somebody's stabbing your dick. Yeah, I feel stabbed. I think inside my penis was a nightmare.
With sex comes, some consequences.
Yeah,
And
pleasure spike with pain, right?
well done, darling. You did really well.
My dick is particularly sensitive. And my balls as well. Yeah.
Okay, Marco. I think you do have a little wart underneath your foreskin, okay? So we'll give you treatment today, okay? The treatment is the liquid nitrogen, so we're going to freeze them off.
Liquid nitrogen.
So we'll call it cryotherapy. So I'm going to spray it enough times just today to freeze it a little bit, okay? So it's going to shrink the warts.
Is it painful?
It can be a little bit uncomfortable.
Can I have sex tomorrow?
No. What we normally say is to avoid sex altogether.
What about blowjobs?
No sex. Any opportunity for skin and skin to become in contact, avoid, yeah?
Okay.
So your wart is on your penis, avoid putting your penis on anybody else, anywhere on their body.
Damn. Shit, I have my dick frozen.
Marco is heading back to see Sarah for treatment of his genital warts.
If you just get your penis ready for me, and then I can just do the treatment.
Okay, let's get my penis ready.
So remember before we were talking about liquid nitrogen? I'm going to pop it directly onto the wart. That works to burn it off, okay? So just hold still for me there, darling. Okay. You're going to feel a sensation. Okay, nice and still. It's okay.
Fuck.
Sorry, darling.
Is it okay? Is it enough?
No, not enough.
Fuck.
Okay, 1 second, darling.
Go, fast, go.
No, I have to let it go down. 1 second. Yeah.
This is a torture.
Okay, sorry.
Fuck. Fuck. I'm crying.
One more.
Don't do unprotected sex, guys. That's what happened.
Because it's quite painful for you, I don't want to push it too much, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm happy to stop today. Now, as we spoke about before, no sex, okay, until we've treated the wart.
Then this will be gone because this is like a nightmare right now.
It will do. It will go, okay? So it's only the initial treatment that's a little bit sore.
Sarah, she said it's not gonna be as painful as the cotton swab. It was even worse, to be honest. It was terrible. She told me to not have sex for 1 week, so for at least until she sees me again. I will, because it can spread. It's the possibility to have more than one spot, so basically to have the fucking liquid nitrogen onto my penis again, even more, it just scared the shit out of me.
I would love to say I haven't got anything. I would love to say that.
Yeah, I'm fucked.
The wait for results is almost over for Harriet, Iffy, Kiefer,
Ooh.
and Marco.
Already have genital warts. If I do find out that I have an STI, it will feel terrible.
I did the examination today and we discovered a warts,
Okay.
but we also did a full sexual health screen. So Marco, we did the swab for chlamydia, and that was negative. We also did one for gonorrhea, which was also negative, okay? Remember the blood test that we did? Yeah?
Yes.
So that checks you for HIV and for syphilis, which both came back negative, so that's great.
Oh, I'm relieved. I'm just worried about the walks thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did you find the treatment, Marco?
Painful. Very.
Yeah. Okay, it's not the nicest treatment, but
No.
it will get rid of the wart. What I'll get you to do as well is when you go home, after you've had a bath or a shower, get some salt, put it in some warm water, and just clean the area. That encourages the healing process and speeds things up a little bit for you.
I should rub my dick with salty water.
Moving forward, I've got a feeling you may need some more treatment, okay? The good news is that it's not a big wart, so by next week, this time next week, hopefully the treatment works and the wart has gone.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
I'll see you next week.
Okay, we'll see you
Sarah.
next week.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. She told me to not have sex for 1 week, and I will definitely try my best to do as she said. You know, like I will. Honestly, I want to have sex tomorrow morning, first thing as I wake up. But like, I will not have sex. Yeah.
Marco, do you think you've learned anything from today?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you use the condoms so you avoid all this.